Well, we couldn't be more excited to announce this incredible new platform for all of you, which is the Salesforce1 new customer platform. It is a customer platform for the Internet of Customers. And I just want to briefly talk about it and kind of orient you to it and tell you all about it. It's a phenomenal new platform. Honestly, it's the best engineering we have ever done. When I saw Visualforce showing up on my iPhone for the first time, I was like, wow, all this investment that our customers have made in things like Visualforce running automatically on iOS and Android with just a very small amount of change. It was awesome. And in fact, we have a whole team of technical executives here, hundreds of them, who are going to work with you during the conference to get all of your custom apps, all of your Visualforce, all of your Apex, all of your custom objects running on Salesforce1 before you leave this show. We are really excited. We have now released Salesforce1 on the App Store. We've released Salesforce1 on Google Play. We've released it to our servers. We've released Salesforce A, our administration app, as well. Now, look, we could be complacent with our platform. It's already the #1 enterprise cloud platform, as you know. And it's been a phenomenal effort. 4 million apps built on the platform, 72 billion records stored, 1.5 billion transactions a day completed on the platform. That doesn't even include ExactTarget, who's delivering another 1 billion transactions every single day, 2 million AppExchange installs on the platform, 2,000 AppExchange apps on the platform. But the platform needs to go forward just like all of us. It needs to evolve. It needs to take advantage of this new world, of the world of social and mobile and cloud, and the new world of connected devices. And it needs to be built for each of the 5 constituents that are so important. We need to build it for the developers, the ISVs, the end users, the administrators, and we have to build it for the customers. Developers deserve a new generation of platform because building mobile apps is hard. You need more APIs available in your development environment than ever before. When we built Salesforce1, Salesforce originally, we were mostly focused on building our data APIs and giving developers access to data. Now we need to be able to provide 10 times more API functionality with over 230 calls and methods, and we need Visualforce to run on every mobile device. And ISVs, they need to easily be able to integrate with this platform so they can deliver this capability to all of our customers. And we've been thrilled to work with so many exciting ISVs, and you're going to see that in the trade show as well, all of it running today in Salesforce1. Now, as we kind of begin the journey from developers to ISVs, we can't forget about these administrators. And the administrators need an app. They need an app to be able to do administration wherever they are. They also need 2-factor authentication, and Salesforce Pound is soon going to be available on the App Store and Google Play as well, so you can do 2-factor authentication right from your mobile device. And, as Parker said, administrators right from Salesforce A are going to be able to fully customize all aspects of Salesforce1 to make it exactly for their company, putting in their identity, putting in their brand, putting in their colors so that it looks like it's a custom app built exactly for their employees. We know how important branding is to all of our customers. And of course, end users demand a new user interface. They have a wide variety of new devices. And the software that we built in 1999 is great on PCs and laptops, but it needs to be amazing. And we've looked at the best mobile apps from companies like Twitter and Facebook and others who have led this charge in the consumer world. And we've looked at their metaphors just as we looked to Amazon in the past, and we've created this phenomenal new application. I've been using it myself for 6 months, and I only use my mobile phone to run Salesforce. All my analytics, all my customer data, all my custom apps are on the phone. I don't have to go anywhere else. Now, customers can connect in a whole new way. They've got communities, they've got Heroku One, they've got ExactTarget Fuel, and all of it is packaged together in this phenomenal new application platform. A new platform for a new age, an age that's dominated by the cloud, by social, by mobile. And we're going to be showing you this in depth. And whether you are managing your sales or managing your service, whether you're managing your marketing, whether you are building custom apps, whether you're an ISV or a developer, no matter what you're doing, or if you're hooking a new product onto the net, and you want to add that Mayday button, you want to add that new sales capability or create a community of your users where he's going to put it all together for you in Salesforce1. It's a comprehensive vision. And now what I want to do is show you how we've done it with our customers. And I want to show you 3 customers who have had early access to Salesforce1. We're going to look at Philips. We're going to look at that cool new toothbrush, a new ultrasound machine, their new light bulb system. We're going to also look at an amazing company called ADP who's been with us from the beginning at Salesforce.com. And we're going to look at Sony at the new PlayStation 4 that was released this weekend and how it's built on this platform as well. So let's begin by looking at this incredible company with this incredible set of leaders who have a huge vision for the future. Let's look at Philips.
Well, I think the role of CIO is in the middle of a huge change. And now we're connecting. We're connecting our devices, we're connecting our customers, and suddenly the playground has dramatically expanded, and the impact you potentially have is so much bigger than it was before. Our ambition is to be entirely driven by the needs of our customers. We believe that the way we're going to sell is not by selling something directly to you, it's by first engaging you. So basically we're going back to that one-on-one relationship where people knew you, but now we're doing it on a scale of 100 million. And that's where I believe the big opportunity is. Speed is the new currency for business. You gotta move fast, and you gotta be bold. Time to get innovation to market is everything. And especially in a world where, the winners tend to take more and more. The Salesforce environment is really easy to develop. We have many examples where we build stuff that would have taken months or sometimes years that we put together in days. Tapping into that means changing the way you run your company, changing the way you do sales, changing the way you do marketing. So immediately look at it from the perspective of, in this case, Marketing Cloud, Sales Cloud, and Service Cloud. People start creating applications, they start creating solutions that will leverage our connected lamps, our connected home cookers, our connected toothbrush. Basically, we don't see it as a toothbrush anymore. We see it as part of an ecosystem that may include helping people to have a much healthier lifestyle. If you look at light today, it's digital. You can completely control that light. You can have 60 million colors. You can illuminate the Bay Bridge here in San Francisco. So Salesforce is very much into the core of our value chain. Every MRI, every X-ray machines we have out there is connected. So we collect a lot of information about how these devices are being used. So we can have an MRI, giving us an early warning sign initiated by a message from the MRI into our service center, which is powered by the Service Cloud. And then through chatter, we can engage with the hospital. So if you can watch screens together, talk to each other, and ultimately also look at each other while you're talking, is really for us the next stage of how to run a company. As an organization, you always need to be one step ahead. And you can only do that by being very close to what your customers need and constantly exploring how you can take that to the next level. We've set up a digital accelerator lab, and Salesforce is actually a partner in that. Now we're pushing each other, that's the whole idea, and that's why we have not just people from Salesforce there, we have our design folks, we have R&D, we come to great new ideas. Things that you would never be able to do on your own. So you get people to move by painting a very compelling vision. We can come back and articulate a solution that our customers haven't thought of yet. If we can work with people like Salesforce, we can actually do this, and we can do it fast, and every day we're getting a little bit closer to where we want to be.
Well, that's an incredible vision for the future. An awesome story. And now what I want to introduce you to an incredible executive at Salesforce. We've really had the opportunity to buy 25 amazing companies at Salesforce.com, each one of them with a phenomenal entrepreneur, visionary, executive. And one company that we bought in Paris, Instranet, became a phenomenal story that has turned into the Salesforce Service Cloud, which is now a billion-dollar business for Salesforce.com. Please welcome the French connection himself, direct from Paris, Alex Dayon.
Thank you, Marc.
Welcome.
Thank you, Marc, and good morning, Dreamforce. Thank you, Marc. I'm really excited to be presenting the Service Cloud this morning because indeed, Marc, that's a product that is dear to my heart. And actually, it's the opportunity to share my onboarding process after the acquisition by Marc Benioff. So Marc acquired my company 5 years ago. And about 2 weeks after the acquisition, he called me at home. It was a Sunday morning. And the conversation was pretty much, hello, this is Marc. I want you to launch your product on stage in a month. Have a great weekend. And that's basically the way I was welcomed into Salesforce. And 5 years later, Service Cloud has been the fastest growing product ever at Salesforce. It's today the leader in the Customer Engagement Center category. It's a leader in its space. And it has been an amazing ride. But the reason why this product is a leader is really about you. It's really about our customers. It's really about the value our customers are getting every day from the Service Cloud. And our customers are all sizes of company. We introduced 2 years ago a smaller version of the Service Cloud for the SMBs, Des.com. And we see companies of 5 agents, 10 agents, 20 agents running on Des.com. We expanded the Service Cloud to power the largest call center in the industry. We have today the largest B2C, B2B company running their customer service every day on the Service Cloud. Companies like HP, Nissan, Cisco running on the Service Cloud. And what strikes me when I talk to those customers who made the switch from existing on-premise solution to the Service Cloud is how the agility of the solution that enables them to deliver business value. In fact, our customers experience today with the Service Cloud more than 37% increase in customer satisfaction in average. That's real value. Now we're here today not to talk about the past. We're here today to talk about the future. And we're here today to talk about Salesforce1. And Salesforce1 brings the Service Cloud to a whole new level. Salesforce1 brings the Service Cloud to the future. Because Service Cloud, in the internet of customers, every customer needs service. And Service Cloud is now a platform. What does it mean? Well, it means you can serve customers anytime and anywhere. You can embed your service in every mobile app. You can embed your service process within every product. And because it leverages all the existing technology we put in the past 5 years into Service Cloud, you can leverage and you solve cases faster thanks to the amazing power of the solution and the collaboration that we built into the Service Cloud. And because it's a platform, well, we leverage our ecosystem of 2,000 App Exchange partners. Like you saw ServiceMax in action during the Parker's demo. And all those technology just make the Service Cloud even better. But there's more. As you know, we deliver 3 releases a year. And those 3 releases are really driven with your feedback, with what you ask us to build, in addition to the amazing innovation we're bringing with Salesforce1. And past 3 releases, just in 12 months, we retired more than 200,000 points from our ID Exchange. Our ID Exchange is our ideation platform. It's where our customer votes. They ask us, bring those technologies to life, and we just listen to them, and we look at what are the most voted IDs, and we put that into our products. Well, just in the past 12 months, we returned to you 200,000 points of IDs. And among the very top, it's all about mobile. You're asking us for a better service on your mobile device. So we delivered mobile knowledge, we delivered mobile communities, and we delivered mobile chat, in addition to a whole new mobile SDK that enables you to plug the service at the heart of your mobile applications. But more than slides, I'd like to show you the Service Cloud in action. And actually, today we have an amazing demonstration, which is a day in the life of an ultrasound engineer using a Philips machine. And ideally, we would have loved to all together go to the UCSF Benioff Children's Hospital, but we were kind of a big group, So we decided today to bring the hospital to you. So please welcome Jessica, our ultrasound engineer at the USASF Benioff Children's Hospital room. Hello, Jessica. How are you? So Jessica is on stage using the latest and greatest technology from Philips. This machine is called the Epic 7. So I don't know what's your experience with ultrasound machine, but last time I went to an ultrasound room, it was, my wife and I just learned we were having twins, and the picture was kind of fuzzy. It was very hard to know what was happening. It was like this gray stack of layers. And you can see today, here you have a video recording of heart beating. And not only it's in color, but what's really, really cool, look at this, you can turn around. It's 3D. You can just look at the back of your heart, you can look inside your heart. That's what the latest technology from Philips delivers. But wait, there is a problem here. The screen froze. So don't panic. No need to call 911. This is just a frozen screen. This is not someone having a heart attack on stage. The screen is frozen. So Jessica, what's happening? Seems you're having a problem with the Epic 7 and the video stream on the screen. So these are the situations where, like Marc said, I would love to have a button I can press and get connected to service. Where is my support button? Where's the button I could have on my camera, on my car? When I have a problem, I just press it and I just get connected to service. Well, that's what Philips did. Philips just, and we're going to zoom on it, at the very front of the machine. Look at that. How cool is that? Look at that. It says, if the camera can focus, it says support. Actually, it's a support button at the very front of the machine. Philips put the support button inside the front panel of the machine. And when Jessica pressed the support button, what happens? Well, the machine switched into support mode. And now the Epic 7 is connected to Salesforce1 new customer platform. The support is running right inside the heart of the ultrasound machine. And there is two modes. One is self-monitoring. You can see here the machine running in monitoring mode. So for example, it's pretty warm. We have 15,000 of us in this room, so the machine is heating up a little, and you can see there is a warning on the temperature. And automatically, the machine is going to log tickets with the customer service. So Philips can dispatch a technician or call and tell them there is a problem. There is another mode called request support, where from the machine, thanks to Salesforce1 new customer platform, you can file a ticket. You can just log your problems, you can collaborate, you can communicate with Salesforce communities of engineers. How cool is that? So Jessica is submitting that button. And what's happening at Philips? What's happening in Philips customer service right now? Well, you have a look at the Service Cloud console in the service call center, and you can see that in this new world of customer service, tickets are coming from multiple channels. You have the phone, you have the email, you have the communities, and now you have the machines. Because in this new world of customer service, the machines are one of your channels. So let's look at the ticket. Let's click on the ticket that Jessica just opened. Here you're looking at the ticket. A ticket in Salesforce Service Cloud is a feed. You see the history. Right now, there's only one thing in the feed, which is just open. And on the right-hand side, you have the knowledge base. And this knowledge base is pushing proactively articles that are the most relevant for that particular problems, that particular machine. And the very top article is actually how to push a firmware to the Epic 7. And you can see a knowledge article is content-rich. You have all the screen-by-screen steps to solve your problem. You have the video that explains how to service the machine. But right now, what we want to do is to check the machine. And because the Service Cloud console is a framework, you can embed Philips tools to remotely connect with the machine. You see, I just click on diagnostics, and now I am connected to the machine. But you know, at some point, the screen starts to be kind of cramped, and you don't have enough space to deliver the service. Well, in the last release of Service Cloud, what we did was to enable multi-screen support. Now you can plug multiple monitors, bring your console across two screens, and you'll see that if I click, for example, on the remote control button here, it basically notifies the other screens and push into the feed all the actions I'm doing remotely with the machine. So now Service Cloud can run on multiple screens. As you can see, everything's fine with the machine. So there is nothing I can do from the call center because all the parameters are green. Everything seems to be running just fine. So that's the point where I need to do something else, which is to dispatch a technician. Well, thanks to Salesforce1 Customer Platform, we created an action, a custom action called Assign Agents. And when I click on Assign Agents, I'm pushed with a map. What is this map? So you can see there is a warning sign in orange. That's me. Actually, I'm the warning sign. You can see now the room here, and you can see the stage. That's where everything is happening. And my closest agent is called Alex, and Alex is about quarter miles away. So let's assign Alex to the case, and let's have Alex take the ticket and try to solve the problem. Now, how do you reach technicians in a hospital? You call them on their cell phone? Well, the very first thing you ask when you step into a hospital is to switch off your cell phone. So it's not really the best way. Well, today we have our Philips technician that is notified through his Google Glass. Please welcome Alex. Alex is wearing Google glasses. And you can see me here through his glasses. You see, I'm here on stage. And you can see what Alex sees through his glasses. And you can see that thanks to Salesforce1 new customer platform, we can run Salesforce in the Google Glass. So you see on the little pip what Alex sees through the glass. And Alex just got notified of the ticket, and now he's going to browse with his finger the ticket, and he's going to basically walk you through all the ticket information you can see in the console in a glass form factor. It's possible because we're running on a platform. So now the platform delivers information in a very different connected device called Google Glass. So Alex is going to take the ticket. He's told where to go through his glasses. He's going to step on stage. And as a good technician, Alex knows all the dirty little secret of the Epic 7. In particular, there is a little trap at the bottom. See here? You need to be a technician to know about that.
OK, Glass. Take a picture.
So Alex is taking a picture of what's happening inside the trap. And because the glass is connected to Salesforce1, the picture is going to automatically appear into the ticket history. You can see here, the agent in the call center sees the picture. So the agent can start acting, but also it's stored as part of the record. So everybody knows about the history of this problem. Now, looking at this picture, it seems that when we move the machine on stage, something got loose into that little trap. So the technician in the call center is going to start collaborating with the agent on his glass through an amazing co-browsing technology we acquired about a year ago, a company called GoInstant that enables you to co-browse with any types of mobile device. Well, today we're going to co-browse with the Google Glass. The technician is going to open a schematic, share it with the Google Glass, and start drawing what needs to happen in that particular area of the device. You can see what Alex sees through his glasses, and tell him you need to replug that cable here, and Alex is going to do just that right now. And let's see what happens on the main screen of the machine. So is the heart beating again, Alex? Well, congrats. Tickets closed. Congratulations to Alex and Jessica for an amazing demo. And I like to end up this demonstration by saying that my heart has always been beating for Service Cloud. Thank you, everybody. And back to you, Marc.
All right, great job. Alex Dayon. Please give him a hand for the Service Cloud. Amazing.